How to fix spectrometer connection bug after Google Chrome update.
First, we must make sure that the website address begins with HTTPS. When our users want to connect the spectrometer, the promote comes up and our user chooses the block button. Then this bug will happen. Step 1. Click on Setting button on the top of the website address. Step 2. Find the local network access control and click to turn on the switch of local network access and reload the website. Step 3. Click the Connect button to download the data again. Data will be downloaded successfully.